Welcome to the Maumee School Area Real Estate Market Update for the month of July 2019. I'm Kelly Nitz, broker with RE/MAX Preferred and your local real estate expert. And today we're going to look at last month's activity to see what the market is telling us, so stay tuned. We're going to be comparing the numbers for the Maumee School area with Lucas County for the month of July 2019 this year versus last year. So first we're going to take a look at the number of active listings. The number of active listings for the month of July 2019 in the Maumee School area was 57. It's down 16.2%. And in all of Lucas County, the number of active listings was 1,703, which is down 18.8%. That's kind of high. But the average days on the market is an important indicator of whether it's a seller's market or a buyer's market. The less houses that are available for sale, the more of a seller's market it is, because there aren't as many to choose from. You're likely to get an offer. And so that actually what we're talking about this, it's a good indicator of it being a good time to put your house on the market if you're thinking about it, because we still have a lack of inventory. So we're going to talk about the average days on the market next. So let's see how that looks. If the average days on the market is high, that means that there aren't as many buyers out there looking as we'd like there to be, and there aren't as many buyers out there buying. So the lower the days on the market is, the better seller's market it is. So the average days on the market for July of 2019 in the Maumee School area was 61. It's actually down 14.1%. And in all of Lucas County, the average days on the market was 76. That's down, that's up 4.1%. So the number of homes that have closed or sold tells us what the home buyers are doing right now. So let's take a look at that next. The number of closed residential real estate properties for the month of July 2019 in the Maumee School area was 36, and that didn't change, not even a 0.1%. It was the same as last year, this month last year. And in all of Lucas County, the number of closed transactions was 594. That was actually up 3.1%. And finally, the average sale price will give us an indication of what price ranges are selling and supply and demand in the real estate market. So let's see how we're doing. The average sale price for the month of July 2019 in the Maumee School area was $145,714, which is actually up 8.6%. And in all of Lucas County, the average sale price ended up being $159,765, which is up 12.7%. That's pretty good. The average sale price on a short-term look kind of tells us the average price of the homes that have sold within that month, and also it's kind of a snapshot of the market at that point in given time. So to get an idea or a longer term direction of where prices are heading, just look at the graphs below the video. And if you'd like an accurate value of what your home may go for, just call me or text me at 419-779-6229, and I'd be happy to come out and chat with you about what's happening in your neighborhood. And if you found the information in this video useful and you liked it, please like it, subscribe, and share. And you'll be notified when the next video becomes available so you can view that. Thanks again for watching.